Good morning, everybody. This is Diane at Plant-Based Dallas, and this morning is Smoothie Assembly Line. I've already made my labels here, right down on masking tape, and directions: add 1 to 1.5 cups water. I use these Great Value twist tie bags from Walmart, and I've put them inside containers so that it makes my assembly really easy. Okay, what we're going to start with is 1 leaf of kale for each one, a piece of turmeric, a piece of ginger, a half of a citrus, a piece of beet. I've got my seed mixture, which includes hemp, flax, and chia. And then I'll include about a half a cup of mango, a half a cup of wild blueberries, and 3 pieces, about a banana and a half for each smoothie. So this works really great to grab and go and just add your water. Y'all have a great day.